So for all of those that think that our men do all the woodwork around here, you're wrong. And we're gonna prove it.
Today we're gonna prove it. Actually, the next 3 days we're gonna prove it to you.
We're gonna take you guys along from one of our orders, beginning to end. And I'm really excited because it's one of our favorite projects to do.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a gigantic prayer wall for a church here.
Yeah.
And actually we're making 2. One really big one and one smaller one.
Yeah.
For their different rooms that they have. So we're really excited. So it's gonna be really awesome. And we can prove those men that women can do it too.
That's right. Look what those homeschool mommies can do.
That's right. We may be book smart, but we're learning. We're getting there.
We're getting there. We're doing good.
And we're having fun at the same time, which
That
makes
is
it
true.
absolutely perfect.
That is true.
And we're back together.
Yes,
working.
we are.
It's been forever, so.
Even though it's early in the morning.
And I had coffee and a Coke, and I'm like, already.
That's the scary part. She had coffee and a Coke.
And I already smacked her with a. No, you smacked me with the board.
I didn't mean to.
You
I didn't mean to.
Like we said, we're still learning.
Yeah.
But we're having fun at the same time.
That's true.
So all the kids are on camp, so Devin has to hang out with the moms by himself, but he's doing good. He's helping John.
Yeah.
And doing man work, and yeah, it'll be a good day.
It will. Let's get started.
Let's do it.
Planing is done.
It was a lot of work.
Yeah, and that's the most time-consuming part of this progress, I feel like.
But taking an old piece of wood and recycling it and making it beautiful again, there's something beautiful about that. I really love that process.
I always like planing. I
It's
don't know.
extremely loud. So
Yes, and then
now
we
we're done
forgot.
shouting at each other.
Yes. This is not a good sign.
I just made it to the table. I just went like, I didn't get the corner and I broke the shutters.
And those are our nice vintage shutters that we bought at the garage sale.
Apparently they're not so solid no more.
We can fix them.
We get you a good deal on those, okay?
Yes.
She mistreats me. She does this. And it means go get the camera. So rude. So where we're going? Again.
Our favorite place. I think you're gonna be confused because normally that's our Saturday route, but today is Monday. We're going to Century Hardware.
Yeah, well known. So this one is taking us on a shortcut. So she's a shortcut. May I show you? This shortcut, what it looks like?
No. It will, as soon as we're through, it will
like a 2-hour construction zone and losing an axle on the street.
It's slow. Cook, we can go.
If she's gonna swing that back to stop again, I'm gonna hurt you. Wow.
Oh no, he's coming.
Like we have nothing else today to do mehr. Ich film mal.
Hi.
Haul the truck out. It's sort of it's a mess back there.
Okay.
All these guys.
Would it be wiser to just turn around again?
Oversized. No, you can get through. If he can get through, you're gonna get through.
Okay.
Okay.
Who do you work for? Where are you filming?
Okay, so that may have been a slight distraction. This little shortcut added like another 15 minutes. However, we thought it would be interesting for you guys to know how much construction there actually goes on in this state in the summertime.
Yeah.
There's so much road damage. Okay, back over here. There's so much road damage in Alaska because of the permafrost. So the ground never completely thaws. So there's a lot of frost heaves that and cracks in the road that just is a consequence of that.
Yeah.
And so they try to upkeep the road so we have not as much damage on our vehicles as much as possible, and they do a really good job. However, our summertime is so short that it does not leave much time for construction. Usually it starts snowing again in October and we're already July and they still have so many more projects that need to get done. So we try to be as patient as we can.
But
because we're thankful, but if you're traveling or you're trying to get somewhere in time, like when we had the church, we have to add an extra 20 minutes in there because of the road construction they're doing on that road. So, but we're thankful that our tax dollars are going somewhere beautifully, right?
That is true. And the shortcut, we're almost there.
And the shortcut, yeah, it was a great time to visit, to catch up, and actually hear each other because that plane was so loud today that we didn't get to talk about anything. And it's
true.
Mondays when we make plans for the whole week, so.
That's true.
So, yeah. So thanks for being patient with us. And to prove again that my shortcuts are better than hers, this was the best example. I don't want to fuss all day about this one, but can I point out again how she parks? Do you see the yellow line? Which is supposed to indicate where you're supposed to park.
Yeah, but can you show this? There's nobody here.
It's busy.
I can pretty much
North
park
Pole,
wherever I want to.
North Pole has a rush hour. Boom.
Why did you have so much fun in here?
When you screw at Century Hardware, something goes wrong all the time. So one of our favorite things to do is to take a different route home all the time and just check out the beautiful neighborhood. Peaceful, quiet, and just beautiful.
AKA shortcut. But she doesn't believe me.